Now available at McCarthy Cars, 2010 Fiat 500 in Bossa Nova white finish with a 15-inch Fiat alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels are in good condition and the bodywork is in fantastic condition. No scratches or dents, as I can see. It's got a small parcel shelf. The front view of the vehicle has got a front box. Moving to the interior, it's got a half leather. Very good looking interior. The condition of the interior is good as well. So for your safety, it's got front and side airbags. So here you've got the electric mirrors, and in the middle it's got the electric windows, and it is automatic. So here it's got the USB slot. It's got power steering wheel with the city mode, which makes the power steering wheel double lighter. It's very easy to turn. It's a city car, obviously. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with the Blue and Me voice commands on the left hand side. That's the Bluetooth connectivity. Settings.
The commands available are user data, pairing, advanced features, and exit.
And then the electric windows, as I said. It's got air conditioning. This is the city mode button. Then it's got a AM FM radio and a MP3 player. And the vehicle is on only 24,000 miles. So this is the gearbox, how it works. It's on reverse, neutral, and then once we go in there, it's automatic. By the way, I just saw the E button, which I believe is the echo for start and stop. Saves you lots of petrol. This is a good car for first insurance. It's gonna be low, and economic vehicle. So this was the quick overview of the Fiat 500 2010. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.